All right, round 3 at Big Willow, 27th day of 8th month, 2023. I'm just taking some pictures of the track, and some lady comes up. Oh, I'm just curious. I'm just taking pictures. I'm like, just taking some pictures. That's all I'm doing. Oh, okay. Like, she was walking across. I'm like, I'm just taking some pictures and videoing. I'm like, no, I'm not. I don't know. Just the way she looked at me. I'm like, not the big deal. I know how to walk on railroad tracks. People see a camera, they freak out. It's just amazing. But yeah, we're kind of cruising along here. We're gonna see where this one goes. I think it goes on the other side. And I saw other trails on the other side. So I just think this is really interesting. Again, mom and dad can drop you off your kid with your buddies, and you can spend a couple hours down here just walking around with your friends. Beauty of it down here. Called exploring, it's called leaving the house, what do you want to call it. What are all these trees? There are ways to see how old trees are, I think, if you get a branch or something, I don't know. But it's just very interesting. That one I liked was that Fish Creek Preserve. That was my best find so far. Make a wish, right? We're gonna put it right over here. If I come by here in the fall, we're gonna see if it's still here. I'll put it right here. Field goal attempt. Yeah, whenever you got a camera, you're kind of just in public, and I don't try to show people whatever, but people see a camera, they want to wave it, they look at it, especially women. Oh, it's a camera. No, I'm not. I'm not a Playboy one. I was watching the he's a Playboy. I've always said, if you're out recruiting women recruit women. I don't walk up to a woman and go, hey, you got a nice rack, right? It doesn't work that way. And then she was at work in Las Vegas at some bar, and a chick walked up to her and said, hey, are your boobs real? She thought, I thought she was a lesbian, but then she gave her a card for Playboy, because Hugh Hefner would do that. He would send the girl to go get her. So just like that pedophile Jeffrey Epstein, that chick was in prison. You know, you watch that Prince Andrew shit, that stuff's disgusting. That guy, I don't know why if I was doing that, gone. But you just watch that you go watch that a-hole. So I'll go over here. It's over here. I think, where was it now? We walked over here. We'll kind of walk over here a little bit. Or was it, I think maybe it was over here. We walked around the corner, so walk over here. So you can bike down here. I'm gonna come down here and bike, do some videos for you guys on the bike. Here's another little bench. So you could have someone, get a bench for somebody right here. That one that was for the Boy Scout one, they need to make it so you can see it. Who the hell is this for? That one I know you can't read it. So just like I've been in some of those cemeteries you guys saw, it's like, you know, you want to take care of somebody in your community, go clean up a cemetery. But you can see the more trails that go back into there where I was just at. So we'll go down the hill here, see where we go. I think there's some, there we go, we'll walk into here. How is this? There we go. Perfect, little entrance. See where it goes. Dun, dun, dun. I mean, it gets hot videoing, but not like real hot, like if it's heat out. So I can, we're at what, 47%? Yeah, that Prince Andrew docs, we had the first hour done. God, poor queen, but you know, when you have a spoiled little brat who's a spare, which I want to be the king. I just want to be a spare, run around, screw around, but not hurting people, just having a good old time. You are who you run with. How much have we talked about that behavior, huh? Doesn't look like there's a lot of trails here. I'm just kind of forging my own way, right? Let's see how this goes. I don't know about this one. Maybe not. Kind of, but let's go over here. You know aliens, you never know, right? Let's go over here. Oh, you kind of see. Trying to get through here. Well, poor choice when it comes to pants. But oh my God. Let's go back out this way. I thought I was on a trail. You plan, God laughs, right? Poor choices. I think it's over there. I saw it last time, so that's what call exploring is. He's walking around like a fool. So, beautiful day to do this. Humidity is gone. We do got 90s coming again on Friday. Hopefully when I go to the fair, Labor Day weekend, it's not too bad. I have my foot long and do some videoing. I want to go hit the John Deere place with this camera. So now we're out of the woods. I think it's up here some more trails, but as you can see, you can push a wheelchair on if you need to. Great biking trail. So see up in there. Where I was walking through up there. I know there's up here there was a trail I saw when we were out here yesterday. I know there is. Yep, here it is. I think. Shall we? Yes. There it is. Seek and you shall find. Let's go. I could have probably had that one truck behind me that way, but I figured, what the hell. Here we go. So we'll cruise. I'll go back that way. I'll walk over there, and then we'll video starting over there. We'll go along here, so interesting to say the least. Who knows how far this goes? I haven't seen any beehives. Here's another little chair right here, overlooking. That's kind of cool. I'll go that way. So yeah, and you really can't read it. So there, I mean, it's a nice trail, but who's it for, right? So the Burwell one is over there. So I do got to get a cigar out. So get one out. So, but yeah, this is just a beautiful day to kind of come on here and hang out and do a video for you guys. Oh God. Oh yeah. A lighter in here. There's a lighter? Yeah, there it is. Nice cigar day. We'll walk over there real quick, but kind of want to come down here. You kind of tell how low it is down here a little bit. Mayhaw Creek. Walk that way. Some houses over there. Plymouth Road's over here, so let's walk over here, shall we? Let's head on over this way. Can I go along the river here and see how far it takes me? Okay. Guaranteed it floods over here. That's a cool little house over there. That's in private. Take your dog back into there. There's a nice little. Oh. He's mowing his lawn over there. Anyways, so yeah, we'll kind of end it here. We'll walk over here and we'll see where it goes. And then we'll do one more back into here. And I'll walk back over there. And I'll go across the bridge and I'll walk over there and I'll see how far I go. I have no idea. Anyways, hope you're enjoying the journey. I have fun. I've never been back, and I've never been back this far before. So to me, it's new. It's like it's new to you, right? So it's like a movie that you haven't seen before. Well, you haven't remembered it, right? So anyways, all right, see you next one.